Let's speak Korean.
안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Speak Korean. 한국어 수업에 오신 여러분 모두 환영합니다. This is Hani, your Korean teacher. Today's lesson is Unit 11, the first series of placing an order, 주문하기. Today we are going to learn how to order something and also how to say the prices. Today's expression, 오늘의 표현을 같이 봅시다. Today we are going to learn how to say the prices with the expression noun입니다. You are going to learn how to count the money in Korean. Okay, and the key sentence for today is 5,000원입니다, which means it is 5,000 won. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary first.
Vocabulary.
The first vocabulary that we are going to learn today is 대학생. Let's read together. 대학생. 대학생 means college student. And as you can see, 학생 here in Korean means student. So follow me one more time. 학생, student. 대학생, college student. Next one. Look at this picture. Have you ever seen Korean money before? This is Korean money and the currency is won. Won. Follow me? Won. So US is dollars, right? But in Korea we say won. Next picture is younger brother or younger sister. In Korea we say 동생. Repeat after me. 동생. 동생. Okay. And the next word we have 한국어. 한국어. 한국어 means Korean language. Before we learned how to say 한국, the country. So 한국 is country. 한국 사람 was Korean. And this time 한국어 is Korean language. Okay, and today we are going to learn 1 to 10 numbers. And the first number here we have is 1. We say 1. Follow me, 1. 1. And we have number 2, 2. 2. Number 3, we say 3. 3. The next one, 4, we say 4. 4. Next one, we have 5, 5. 5. Let's count one more time from 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. And now we are going to learn from 6 to 10. Okay, 6 we say 6. 6. 7 we say 7. 7. Okay, next one we have, how do you read this one? That's right, it's 8. 8. Great job. 9 we say 9. 9. And number 10 we say 10. 10. Let's count 6 to 10 one more time, okay? So we have 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10. Okay, so we finished the number from 1 to 10, and this time it's for grammar.